Do you want to start filming your hunts but have no idea where to begin? Or maybe you have a fishing trip plan, or you just have an idea for a channel you want to start. I've already made all the mistakes so you guys don't have to. So stick around and I'll help you guys get started. So you want to start filming and you have no idea where to begin. Wherever you're at, grab your phone, turn it sideways, and just start recording. Indoors or outdoors, whatever you're doing, just start filming today and get used to filming. Most people wait for the perfect time to start, and the longer you wait, the longer you put it off. The longer you put off learning things after you start. So maybe you start filming and then it takes you a year to learn something after you start filming. You don't have to wait. You don't have to wait for the perfect opportunity, the perfect camera, the perfect microphone. Just start today. Quit making excuses. Because all of you I know have a phone. And you can all start today using one of these. A lot of you are here because you want to film the outdoors, hopefully. Get out there and just start doing it. And I'm gonna film Chris come into the shot right now. So why should you start filming? What's a good reason to start filming? Well, if you're here, you probably already have a reason. But a good reason is to just capture memories if you film it correctly. So one day you're gonna look back, you're gonna watch these, and you're gonna see yourself young, running around, chasing deer, fishing, hiking, whatever it is. And you're gonna be glad that you started filming one day. It's because all this is just time travel. I mean, one day you're gonna see it and you're just gonna be able to relive these memories. But if you're here watching this, you probably have a reason to start filming. But for main reason is just to capture memories that you can one day watch with your kids or friends or whatever it is. Today we're gonna do some shed hunting though. The whole theme though of this video, like I've said, is to just start filming. Because you can start with one of these and it looked pretty decent, and you can go out, hunt, fish, whatever you want to do. We can break down gear and whatnot, settings and other videos. But right now is just to start getting comfortable doing this. I mean, just pick up your phone, getting comfortable with it, being confident with it, and just start doing it. Whatever you guys have laying around, if it's an old camcorder, your mom or girlfriend's old camera, whatever it is, just start today. If I was starting today, I would use my phone. It's really good quality, easy to use, and it's easy to transfer files. You can get microphones and other attachments later on, but right now we just want to focus on starting today and getting comfortable and confident filming. On the next episode, we'll go over what's going on inside the camera. When you first pick up a camera and look at all the settings, it can be intimidating. But we'll go over all that later on to make it simple for you guys. That way this fall, you'll be able to hit record confidently when that buck is coming in.